Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to set page zoom for all web pages in Chrome on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to adjust the page zoom level according to your preference. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome on your computer. Step 2. Look for the three dots icon at the top right corner and click on it. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Step 4. In the Settings menu, click on Appearance. Step 5. To change the size of everything on the web pages you visit, including text, images, and videos, follow these steps. Next to Page Zoom, click on the down arrow. Select the zoom option you want, ranging from 25% to 500%. By adjusting the page zoom level in Chrome, you can enhance your browsing experience and make content more readable and accessible.